Hi guys, welcome back to CS Technology. Today guys, we are going to learn one of the most important topic, promise guys in JavaScript. Okay, so how does it works? Basically guys, a promise most of the cases guys we can see in backend as well guys. Okay, so backend so often we can see this promise guys. Today we are going to learn guys. So first of all guys, we first come to know that what do mean by promise guys in general term. So promise in the sense guys, we are giving some promise to someone guys. I'm going to do this job by this time, right? So basically it will like a time consuming guys, we can say that in JavaScript guys. Promise is we are assigning some task to the function is taking some time. On certain that time it will be resolving that guys. Okay, so either we'll get a response or else it's a reject. So practically we'll see that how it works. So quickly guys, we'll just take any function for that. You can give function name promise. See guys, promise. And here guys, we'll fetch the some APIs guys. Okay, just quickly we'll take dummy APIs. See guys, you can just type dummy API guys, so that we'll get this. Copy this, colon, and just have pasted. So we'll store this guys in data. Same thing as below. Console.log. Just in database. Just see guys. So now we'll just display that. Okay. Just refresh this guys. Okay, we forgot to call that function. We have to call this from instead of promise. You can write anything guys here. Okay. So okay, you can remove this. You can write anything. You can write get data, take data, give data, anything you can write guys. So get data is approximate word. So that I'm just taking get data. See guys, now we can see, we can just refresh. See guys, we can see that the promise is now pending guys, because it's waiting for a function guys. Okay, so I will show you that. You can click in promise having three status guys. One is promise first, second is fulfilled, and response. Actually this promise is now waiting for the response guys. We'll see that how it works. Okay, so guys, now what we need to do, so we need to await this function guys. Just for that guy we need to write await here. So await in the sense guys, it will be stopping this function guys. It will not allow to run this function particularly. By default guys, this function will be synchronous guys. Synchronous and asynchronous already we have learned in last class. Just quickly I will just recap that. Synchronous means guys, the code will be executing line by line. The code will be exiting line by line. Asynchronous means guys, so if we are using any asynchronous, any particular line, so in that case what will happen, so it will hold that particular value guys until unless fetch that details. So once this detail has been fetched here, so it will allow to execute that particular program guys. Okay, but here guys we have a one more benefit also. If we have a 5 lines of code guide here, okay, you can take example, we have 5 lines, and the third line guys we are calling some data from the API. So obviously guys, if you are calling from the API, so it takes some time guys. So but guys, here if you use asynchronous, what will happen guys, fourth and fifth line code we have, right? So those code guys, asynchronous will allow us to execute first guys. Okay, so later that, so it will get executed third line guys. So we don't want to wait for that guys until unless get third line get executed. We no need to wait fourth and fifth guys. Okay, so for that only we are using this asynchronous guys. We'll see that. So here for that just we need to take as before function we need to type asynchronous. That's it guys. See guys, now we can see the response. Just refresh. See guys, we got the response, complete response we got that guys. So this is how simple is it. I will just explain you guys once quickly, so you can just remove this guys. See guys, we have a other data as well. You can other data. You can take uh, let a is equal to John. We have a one data guys. Okay, John, and we have let b is equal to Farhan. You can take Farhan, and guys, just will print that. We'll store this value guys on. You can type result. You can type anything guys here. Result. You can take a plus b. Okay. Yes, you can write anything guys on console dot log. You can print the result. So guys, we have a this is a one line code, and second line guys, we will fetch this data guys. Just we have done that right. So function we can take this time promise data will take promise data. So guys, you can take let data is equal to will fetch that fetch. Same thing guys, we'll just copy this JSON. See guys, this all data we are displaying. That's it guys. Just I have yes here, fetch it, and we'll just print this guys. Okay, console dot log data. So that's it guys. You can also I just informed you right. You need to just await. Once you return await guys, we need to synchronous, because by default the function will be synchronous guys. Synchronous we have to make for asynchronous. See guys, just we made that. See guys, this is a one function we have. This is second function which is asynchronous, and this is a third function guys. I'm writing here one more. Let name guys, again we'll take name. Here guys we'll take javascript. Let email will take any email guys, dummy email. See guys, I have taken guys. Okay, I'll take the link for store. Inside store guys, I will just add this both. Okay, email. You can print this guys. Console dot log store. What about this one? Let this. Yeah, see guys, now we'll print that guys. Okay, so now guys we have one function, and we have second function which is asynchronous, and we have third function guys. Okay, now how it will, which one first will execute, we'll see that guys. Just refresh. See guys, first we got John on foreign and JavaScript, and asynchronous still is not get displayed. We'll see that what happened is. Okay, we forward to call guys again. We promise we have to call this guys. Okay, sorry for that. See guys, will as I refresh guys, first it will display guys, second it will display guys. Okay, the asynchronous, this function will be not waiting for this asynchronous. Okay, first second and third it will display guys. We'll see that. See guys, after some time it takes fraction of second guys, you can observe that. It takes, see guys, it takes some fraction of second, and it will also get display, right? So this is why we are using asynchronous, guys. As of now, guys, we have only 10 users, guys. Here I have taken only in this fetch data, we have only 10 users. In the real time project, guys, we will be having more users, guys. Okay, we have like, you can take 1,000, you can have endless, guys. If you have Amazon app, endless users are log in there, right? So we can't wait for that, guys. So it take lot of time, guys. Okay, until unless it taking the time, so we need to allow other codes to be executed here. Okay, so that's the reason why we are using asynchronous method here, guys. And also, guys, instead of asynchronous, we have a other method also. I will show you that as well. You can just comment this, guys, this one. See, guys, here in this function, guys, we need to use then and catch, guys. You just copy this. The result will be same only, guys. Either you can use this one and note that one. So I will just tell you dot. You can just dot, guys. Then use array function here and console.log. Inside console log, you can write anything, guys. You can write doc. So the same thing you need to write here, right here. Okay, sir. You can type document. You can take data, anything, guys. You can take and catch error function. This is also same thing only, guys. So there is no difference in that. See, guys, that's it, guys. You can use either this much of code, or else you can use this much of code. This is then and catch method. So this is await and asynchronous. We'll see, guys. Which is more comfortable, you can do that, guys. But result will be same. See, guys, result will be same, guys. There is no difference in that. What I mostly prepare, guys, asynchronous and await function, because it gives some meaning, guys. So somewhere most of the developer will use this only, but you can use this as well. There is no issue, guys. I hope, guys, are completely cleared, right? So if you have any doubt, guys, because this is one of the important topic in backend, so guys, without this, we will be not using. So each and every code we have to use asynchronous there. So kindly, you guys, if you are not understanding, kindly just comment here so that I will reply your comment. Okay. So that's all, guys, today class. Thank you for watching.